Welcome back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. Uttarakhand District Administration in actions. Now only 50 tourists are allowed to visit Kempty Fall. In view of the increasing crowd of tourists in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand Tehri Garhwal District Administration has issued new guidelines. In the view of the increasing crowd of tourists in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand Tehri Garhwal District Administration has issued new guidelines. According to district information, tourists can now spend only 30 minutes at Kempty Fall and only 50 tourists will be allowed to go at a time. Tehri Garhwal District Officer Eva Ashish Srivastav told that the check post has also been constructed to monitor the movement of tourists, which will ensure that only 50 tourists go together and return within 30 minutes. Along with this, care will also be taken that tourists follow the Corona guideline. On Wednesday, a video went viral on the social media, which was from Mussoorie. It was clearly visible in the video that people are not following Corona rules. There was a huge crowd of people. No one was wearing a mask nor was following social distancing. The situation in Mussoorie is such that rooms are not available in the hotels. There are long queues of vehicles on the road. The number of people has become so much that neither social distancing is being followed nor the Corona protocol is being followed. Recently, the Ministry of Health has appealed to the people that the Corona epidemic is not over yet. Therefore, people should follow the Corona guideline. People have also been asked to wear masks and maintain social distancing. It is being told that there is a danger of the third wave of COVID. In such a situation, this step of Tehri Garhwal District Administration is commendable. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.